Soon, seeing someone breathing into a smartphone could become a common sight. In the near future, mobile phones could be used as personal breathalyzers to detect blood alcohol content. People in this bar are testing out a new gas concentration meter, the world's first and smallest multi-pixel gas sensor. The high-tech sensor chip powering these test phones was developed by Andrea Orzati and his team.
Our vision is to transform smartphones into measuring devices for gases that are relevant to human beings. Alcohol is just one example. This is just the start. In the future, we will see increasing use of such sensors.
The microprocessor is being produced by the company Sensoron, a spin-off of the Federal Technology Institute in Zurich. It now employs 600 people and specializes in sensor components and solutions. The aim of the company is to sell the sensor to manufacturers of smartphones, tablets, and wearables, and have them integrated into their products. The cost per unit is about $1. This kind of microchip is becoming not only cheaper, but most importantly, smaller.
Here are two different generations of sensors. These are 300 pieces of the sensors that came onto the market 6 years ago. With this, we have the same number of sensors, but of the present generation, and we can immediately see the difference in the space needed.
Using a smartphone as a breathalyzer has been possible for some time, thanks to accessories, but it has never been a feature integrated in a phone. Demand for such functionality in a smartphone could be great. However, police say such sensors could be misused.
A device like this could lead to users trying to reach the limits of permissible alcohol consumption. This could be very risky. If you get stopped by the police and your levels are higher than 0.5%, you can't then refer back to your smartphone reading as it's not admissible as evidence.
Digital expert Peter Buchmann, on the other hand, says a sensor like this has more potential than just determining the alcohol content of a person's breath.
I cannot imagine everyone using such a sensor for measuring alcohol levels. On the one hand, it would be effective if it prevented traffic accidents, but I rather see its potential in air analysis. For example, it could be interesting in terms of the information it could provide on pollen count and chemical composition. It could be a great help for people suffering from allergies.